Useful techniques for affiliate marketing to boost your bottom line. Have you ever thought of promoting an affiliate product that you didn't really believe in? This isn't the worst thing you could do, but it sure makes it harder for you to convince others about why they should buy it from you. Increase your chances of earning big by choosing to promote products that are the best fit for you using these tips. Who doesn't love a bit of free advertising? Get your business, and your website, listed in free business directories. There are many out there, such as Yelp, YellowPages.com, and InfoUSA. Listing with them can lead to a boost in website traffic as well as a boost in the success of your business. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. Focus on building your content, not just your links. Without a good content strategy, you won't be successful. People aren't coming to your site to find affiliate links, they are coming for your content. Whether that's reviews, previews, or you just talking about your day, that's what they came from. Keep it up to date and keep new content coming. Know the audience that you are trying to entice. Take into consideration why they are coming to your site and what they are interested in. Make sure that the affiliate products that your site is offering to them provide a solution to your visitors' problems. Keep with the theme of your site. Before picking an affiliate marketing partner, you should visit their website to get a feel for their online business. Would you personally buy from their website? Is their website easy to use? Would visitors to your website feel good or bad about being directed to the advertiser? You can learn plenty about potential partners just by checking their site. Statistics in real time are increasingly important. This information can reveal the amount of traffic to your website and provide details about purchasing habits. The density of ads on any given web page is an important concern for an affiliate marketing effort. A balance must be struck. Affiliate programs generate no revenue without ads, yet every ad will degrade the reader's satisfaction a little. The best practice is to keep ads limited to a small fraction of a page's content, and to make them as relevant as possible to reduce reader frustration. Be sure your affiliate ads mesh well with the content of your blog or website. If you have a website about dog training, you don't want to try to sell electronic cigarettes just because they have a high profit margin. Obviously, people who seek information about dog training are going to want to buy dog products and services, so that's what you should list. When in doubt, just think about what is important or useful to you. Chances are, if you really have a need for a specific product, someone else out there does too. Let your sincerity shine through in your affiliate marketing campaigns, and your customers will buy from you because they trust you and believe in you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, Try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.